Welcome to the assembly guide for the Zojila Ellora shower caddy. This sleek and sturdy caddy is designed to keep your shower essentials organized. Let's get started with assembling your new shower caddy. Before we begin, ensure you have all the parts. 2 long frames, 1 top frame, 1 bottom frame, 2 shelves, 8 brackets, a hanging wire, a hose clamp, a wrench, 16 3/4 inch number 10 screws, 16 number 10 nuts with nylon lock, 8 3/8 inch number 10 screws, 10 number 10 square nuts, 8 number 10 washers, and 2 thumb screws. Check your package to confirm everything is included. Let's start with the long frame assembly. Step 1. Insert 2 square nuts into the grooves of a long frame, as shown. Line them up, place a bracket on top, add washers, insert 2 3/8 inch screws, and tighten to secure the bracket. Step 2. Insert 2 more square nuts into the grooves and repeat, ensuring both shelf brackets' flat surfaces face the same direction. Step 3. Repeat these steps on the second long frame, making sure all shelf brackets face the same direction for proper alignment. Next, let's install the corner bracket. Step 1. Position a bracket at the edge of a long frame, aligning it exactly with the edge of the sloped feature, as shown. Insert a 3/4 inch screw from the opposite side, place a nut with nylon lock on the inside, and tighten using the supplied wrench until secure. Repeat for the second screw, ensuring perfect alignment. Step 2. Add another bracket at the other end of the frame, following the same process. Step 3. Repeat these steps for the second long frame. Next, install the thumb screw pegs. Insert a square nut into the groove on the outside of one long frame. Then screw in a thumb screw. Repeat this step on the other long frame. It is necessary to install these pegs now, since the nuts cannot be inserted after the frame is assembled. We can now move on to the bottom frame. The bottom frame is the one without the Zojila logo. Step 1. Align the bottom frame with the long frames and square up all corners. Position the top frame, the one with the Zojila logo, and ensure all 4 corners are squared. Step 2. Insert 3/4 inch screws into the bottom frame. Add nuts with nylon lock on the inside, and tighten with a screwdriver while holding the nut with the wrench. Repeat for the other corner. Step 3. Secure the top frame by inserting 3/4 inch screws, adding nuts, and tightening. Now let's add the shelves. Step 1. Loosen the screws on a shelf bracket by a 1/4 turn only. Be cautious to prevent the nut from dropping. Move the bracket about 4 inches from the bottom and repeat for the other bracket. Step 2. Insert a shelf at an angle, then place it on the brackets with the ribs facing up. Step 3. Repeat these steps to install the second shelf on the other brackets. Next, it's time to attach the hanging wire. Loop the hanging wire through a pair of slots on the top frame. Create a loop at one end and twist the wire at least 5 times to secure. Pass the other end through the loop and twist it at least 5 times to lock it in place. The last step is to hang our shower caddy. Step 1. Install the hose clamp on the shower pipe and tighten securely. For extra grip, you can apply electrical insulation tape to the pipe. Step 2. Hang the shower caddy on the pipe, positioning the wire behind the hose clamp. Adjust the height by creating another loop around the pipe if needed. Alternatively, mount the caddy on a wall using screws through the slots on the long frame. Your Ellora shower caddy is now assembled. Visit Zojila.com to get yours today and keep your shower organized.